In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a voice with AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a polished AI voice that fits your project's tone and style. First, open your browser and head to HeyGen. When the dashboard loads, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can move quickly. We'll be working in the tool designed for building interactive video and audio experiences. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Video Agent and click it. This takes you into the workspace where all the voice and conversation tools live. If you don't see it immediately, collapse or expand the sidebar until the label is visible. Inside Video Agent, switch to the Voice section. This is the area dedicated to voice selection and creation, and it's where you'll design the sound you want people to hear. Before choosing a specific voice path, click Auto. This setting helps the system pick sensible defaults behind the scenes, so you don't have to guess about technical parameters. Think of it as a smart starting point that lets you focus on creative direction rather than setup. Now, select Clone Your Voice. This opens the voice creation panel where cloning and design options sit side by side. Even if you plan to build a fully synthetic voice, this view is helpful because it consolidates all the controls you'll use next. Choose Design a Voice. This tells HeyGen you want to generate a new voice based on a text description rather than recording yourself. In the voice prompt field, describe exactly how you want the voice to sound. Be concrete and multidimensional. Include tone or mood, age range, accent, energy level, pacing, clarity, and any stylistic cues like warm, confident, conversational, or authoritative. For example, you might request a calm, mid-30s narrator with a neutral accent, medium pace, clear enunciation, and a friendly, welcoming tone. The more precise your description, the closer the result will be to your target. When you're ready to hear it, click. Try a sample. The tool will generate a quick preview reading sample text so you can judge timbre, pacing, and expression. If it's not quite right, refine your prompt with clearer adjectives or add guidance about pauses and emphasis. Once the preview feels close to your vision, click Submit or press Enter. HeyGen will process your request and produce the voice for use in your projects. Keep in mind that you should only replicate voices you have the rights and permission to use. That's it, your AI voice is generated and ready to go. Experiment with small prompt tweaks to fine-tune character and clarity, and you'll lock in a voice that sounds polished, natural, and on brand.